As the world observes United Nations Day, Kashmiris continue to await the implementation of UN resolutions guaranteeing their right to self-determination through a free and fair plebiscite. This day commemorates the anniversary of the UN Charter coming into force in 1945, when majority of the signatories, including the 5 permanent members of the Security Council, ratified the organization's founding document. It serves as a global reflection on the UN missions to promote peace, development and human rights. The UN General Assembly declared October 24 as United Nations Day in 1948, and many member states they have celebrated it as a public holiday since 1971. The All Parties Youth Conference, in a statement, lamented that India persistently defies UN Security Council resolutions while subjecting the people of occupied Jammu and Kashmir to political oppression and state terrorism. Marking the 18th anniversary of the UN funding, this day serves as a stark reminder that the Kashmir dispute still remains unresolved despite being on the UN agenda for over 7 decades. The Hurriyat urged the UN and the global community to fulfill their moral and legal obligations, compel India to end its violations. The BJP-led Indian government's unilateral and unconstitutional actions of August 5, 2019 stand in a blatant contradiction to international law and UN commitments. True observance of UN days still lie in transforming pledges into action by ensuring long-denied justice to the oppressed people of Kashmir, where over 450,000 have been killed since 1947. Peace and stability in South Asia depends on the resolution of the enduring conflict in accordance with the UN resolutions and the will of Kashmiri people.